Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This call is now being recorded.
Okay. So within like 1 minute, we'll starting the program. Okay, people. Till the time, please, all the people who are so much enthusiastic and interested towards the internship, do write the. Okay, we got for Ansit Sao sir, guys. Whatever he had written, it's absolutely correct. Copy the same and get your information updated in the chat box. Everyone, I'm just giving you 1 minute. Okay. For after that, we'll start with the today's induction meeting. Okay, which we have all organized by Cadence Educations for you. Okay. So everyone, come on, fastly update the chat box with the information of name, contact, WhatsApp, email, domain chosen, and that's it. Not more anything I'm asking from you. Excuse me. You all were saying that we are quite enthusiastic. Like I cannot see that enthusiasm, guys. I cannot see the messages on the chat box. I can like please make your brand here, make your name branding here. It's the best opportunity you are getting right now, guys. Come on. We select the best candidates for the internship because we are AICTE and ISO certified. So opportunity is all up to your hands, guys. Okay, it's 25. So Vinayak sir, Venu ma'am, Kartik sir, Rajiv sir, Ria ma'am, shall we start with Zahir sir? Shall we start the meeting, sir, now?
Yes,
Definitely.
yes,
All
yes,
the
ma'am.
best for it.
Okay. So, hello everyone. Welcome to Career Dreams Educations. First of all, namaste, assalamu alaikum, and welcome everyone with whole hearts and energy to Career Dreams Educations. Well, first of all, I just want to welcome all those people who are new to us, all those faces who are new to us. Yes, sir. Okay. All those faces who are new to us, and also everyone, thank you so much for giving your precious time and efforts to come in this meeting. You all have those heavy rains, like still you have joined the meeting. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for cooperating. I just want to welcome Zahir sir today's in Career Educations, a new face, a new people, and a new heart. So, guys, let me initiate you what is Career Dreams Education. You all might be knowing, like, what is the name of, like, Satakshi ma'am is saying again, like, what is Career Dreams Education, Career Dreams Education. What it is basically. So, Career Dreams Education is an education-oriented skill development enterprise. We are solemnly committed to provide clients with education assistance, education solution, and education training. Let me tell you one thing. We are registered under MSME Act of Government of India under Jaipur, Rajasthan. Also, we are AICT. Can anyone tell me what is AICTE? The full form of AICTE, guys? AICTE क्या होता है? Anyone can tell me? In in the parameter of education, AICTE.
All India Technical, All India Technical and Council of,
Sir, AICTE, I'm asking.
All India Council of Technical Education.
Thank you so much, Zahir sir. That's really great. And also we are ISO certified under 9001-2015. Up, you might be thinking, Canadian education is like it's like a second family to us, guys. Let me tell you that thing. Now, this family is being supported by millions, nahi, by very few people, but they're equal to million people. You know, our army, I can say, our army, the pillars without whom the Canadian education family is incomplete. We have first, till I'm introducing people, please fill the chat box with amazing claps or emojis, so it will be easy for me to know that yes, you are so much excited. So we have Kartik Gotwal sir, our chief executive head, and he is there in the meeting, guys, among us. Kartik sir, welcome, sir. We have, yes, sir.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kartik sir.
Sorry.
Kartik sir is our founder and chief executive head. We have Miss Renu Gaura ma'am. Renu ma'am, she is counseling head and chief administrative. We have Mr. Vinayak Susana sir, who is marketing and financial head at Canadian Education. Also,
Very good.
we have, yes, ma'am. Renu ma'am. Yes. Also, we have Mr. Rajiv Gupta sir, who is there in the meeting, Managing Head of Career Education. Rajesh sir, can we have you on the mic, please?
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you so much, Rajesh sir. We have Miss Riya Jain ma'am, who is Technical Coordinator and Managing Head at Technophilia. Riya ma'am,
Good afternoon, everyone.
good afternoon. And also we have Miss Shraddha ma'am, who is HR Team Manager at Career Dreams Education. Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Yes.
everyone.
Good afternoon, guys. And also me myself, who is a marketing team manager at Career Dreams Education. So I hope you got a very good type of knowledge about the pillars, about the company. Now I am forwarding my mic to Mr. Vinayak Skhanna sir, who will tell you what you are getting amazing stuff in the internship. Vinayak sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, guys, a very fine good afternoon to everyone. And before we move on to this session, let me welcome you to the Career Dream Education, the all-in-one education portal, जहाँ पे होगी internship, skill development, career counseling से लेकर आपके placement तक की वो सारी सुविधाएं that will help you grow in your career as per the Indian economy 2021. Guys, first I want some responses. Am I audible to you guys? I want some voices. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it, guys? Guys, as we move on towards the gateway, the beginning of Career Dream Education, let me show you this organization is all about Skillgram. I'm presenting my screen over here, guys. So let me take you to the world of Career Dream Education. And with a very positive note, Skill India initiative, welcome to Skillgram. To everyone, guys, we are a group of 5 different skill development communities. At Career Dream Education, we have Technophilia, the technical wing, Money Batters, the financial team, Business Now, entrepreneurship team, and the placement team. So guys, every one of you, आपका welcome होता है internship की एक ऐसी दुनिया में जहाँ पे you will get management, finance, technology, and entrepreneurship all in one place. And we are the only one company of Rajasthan having 5-in-1 operational efficiency. To everyone, guys, अगर आप लोग financial area से हैं, most welcome to Money Battles. अगर आप लोग technical area से हैं, BCA and BTech, you are invited to Technophilia. और अगर आप general management के interested intern हैं, most welcome to the Career Dream Education GM portal. And for those जो दम रखते हैं अपना कुछ करने का, who can and who are wanting to start their own business, Business Now is their entrepreneurship gateway. So guys, this is the introduction, this is the face, ये है पहचान Career Dream Education. Now, a brief intro about the complete setup. क्या है Career Dream Education? Guys, we are an education company. We are providing education, teaching, coaching, counseling, and every service for skill development. And we are certified by ISO, International Standard Organization 9001 and 2015. And we are proud to say we are also approved by AICTE. AICTE is that council जो अप्रूव करती है इंडिया की यूनिवर्सिटीज को और कॉलेजेस को और स्किल डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस को. Guys, we are a part of central government Skill India program and the state government of Rajasthan Skill India initiative. In this journey, इस program में we will welcome you to every unit जहाँ पे आपके career के लिए होगी opportunities with internship, skill development and maximum career development support. If you see Career Dream Education, we are offering education and career development services, education event management, internship services, marketing services, and educational R&D. We are proud to be all about education. पढ़ाई लिखाई से लेकर आपके करियर के हर उस सपने को पूरा करने तक हमारी टीम आपके साथ रहेगी. Then we have Technophilia. It is the technical gateway, the complete portal for BTech, BCA students, and we have the all-in-one, the area of web designing, Androids, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, graphics, SEO, and e-commerce. So guys, this is the world of technology, technophilia, जहां पे गेमिंग डिजाइनिंग से लेकर वेबसाइट से लेकर साइबर सिक्योरिटी AI तक every technical domain is there for best performance. Guys, at Career Dream Education, we believe we are the best. So if you think you are the best in your area, you are invited to Career Dream Education and Technophilia. Then, to those who love money, guys, पैसा कमाना कोई बुरी बात नहीं, सब पैसा कमाते हैं, बट पैसे को बढ़ाना, पैसे को मल्टीप्लाई करना, 1 रुपए को 100 रुपए बनाना, that is called financial management. I was listening in the introduction part. We have a sir who has got auditing experience and he wants financial internship. Guys, financial means पैसे को बढ़ाना, कमाता हर कोई है, everybody earn the money, but we multiply the money. Money barters उन लोगों के लिए हैं जो पैसे को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, डबल ट्रिपल कैसे करना है ये सीखना चाहते हैं. In this money barters team, we have financial training, business financial analysis, insurance, investment, income tax, GST, business legal formalities, and all areas of financial for internship. So if you are planning for financial area, अगर आप चाहते हैं फाइनेंस एरिया में जाने के लिए, you have investment, insurance, taxation, and financial analysis as a part of your career. So guys, the money barter is always open to those people who are passionate for money, जो पैसे के लिए दीवाने हैं, जो पैसे को बनाना जानते हैं. Moving on next, we shall be inviting you to the placement cell, Insta placement, that will prepare you, जो आपको तैयारी कराएगा इंटरव्यू से लेकर CV बनाना, GDs में जाना, PIs में जाना, all in one, complete training for your placement. So we have the Insta placement giving you the job support services, including your HR support and marketing support. And here we comes the entrepreneurship, business now. This is the unit for those people who love challenges, who love to take challenges, who want to start their own business, who want to make their own brand, जो अपनी खुद की पहचान बनाना चाहते हैं अपने खुद के बिजनेस के साथ. This is business now. And guys, this is what we say, a 5-in-1 combination of financial money barters, technophilia, business now, Insta placement, all together, career dreams education, जो पूरा करेगा आपके करियर के उन ड्रीम्स को एजुकेशन के साथ. And guys, this is what we say, the authorities at Career Dream Education. We have Mr. Karthik, who is the founder, Ms. Renu Bora, who is the chief operating head, and Vinayak Saxena, who is the chief marketing and financial head over here. In this chain, we have Mr. Rajiv Gupta, Mr. Kaushik, Ms. Shikha, Ms. Riya, Mr. Rajat, Ms. Rajat, Shraddha ma'am, Satakshi ma'am, as our core pillars of management, who are the proud pillars who carry forward this journey. Now guys, let me take you to the main internship 40, jahan pe you will see and discover the areas of internship. I will be just presenting my screen over here. So guys, let me know, are you aware? Now, are you clear with the idea? Career Dream Education is a 5-in-1 combination of skill development, education, and manpower development. So I will be presenting my screen over here. Okay, guys. So moving ahead, we shall be having the introduction. Once again, registered under MSME Act and State Government of Rajasthan. We are ISO certified and approved by AICTE. And this is the 5-in-1 combination of Career Dreams Education, the 5-in-1 power of our company. Guys, welcome to Skillgram once again. Now moving on next, we shall be introducing you to the company where we will give you not only internship, but complete skill development power so that you can be the face of Indian economy. You can be the power, not only for your career, but also for the country. This is the so-called Comprehensive Internship Cum Training Program, the CITP program. You can see we have got the following domains: general management, technical internship, financial internship, and entrepreneurship. Taking on to the areas, guys, these are the areas. For the management students, we have HR, marketing, content writing, social media, digital marketing, the business research area, the education research, and the event management area. So guys, if you are planning with MBA, BBA, BCom, this is your forte. This is the area of general management for those people who want to be the manager, the business manager in future. On the same note, we have technical internship with Technophilia for web designing, Androids, machine learning, graphics, SEO, social media, e-commerce, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. Guys, this is the gateway to technology. Moving on next, we have the financial areas like insurance, investment, income tax, GST, financial training, financial analysis, and the legal framework. So financial area is all about the money with Money Batters. And guys, this is the last area, entrepreneurship. This area is very challenging, where we have supply chain, operation management, business management, public relation, analytics, strategic management, project and product development, risk management and brand management, customer relationship management, quality management, and the business audit management. So guys, these are the areas जहाँ पे आप लोग internship देख पाएंगे for a period of 45 days. So let me take you guys. We have the 3 modules: 15 days, 30 days, and 45 days. What type of internship you want for your career? Now, you can see the benefit. For 15 days internship, we have the following features. You will be getting internship with certification. You will be having competitions. We will give you workshop and live project handling with personalized CV. So guys, if you are going for 15 days internship, you will get workshop and competition together with internship. So it is a package of internship and workshop and a competition. If moving on next, we have 30 days super internship. Guys, this is a very challenging super internship program for 30 days. So if you love challenges, if you want to be the best, if you want to prove yourself, yes, I am a good business manager, I am a good technician, welcome to super internship. 30 hours training. You will get training. You will get 10 certificates, 30 days internship, and entrepreneurship. Internship plus entrepreneurship. Then you will have competition. You will have business project handling. You will be rewarded. Surprise goodies will be there. And we will get you your CV with 6 workshops. 30 days, you will see 6 different kind of workshop, internship, and many more challenges to bring the best in you. And finally, we have the 45 days internship, guys, the mega internship for 45 days. As you can see, as I'm saying again, in internship, सिर्फ internship नहीं होगी. Internship के साथ आपके लिए होंगी workshops, training, seminar, webinar और बहुत कुछ, so that you can get all in one package. Guys, don't stop at internship. With internship, there are many more advantages जो आपको इस पूरे प्रोग्राम में साथ में दिए जाएंगे. And this is the fee structure of the internship for 15 days, for 30 days, and based on your choice for 45 days. It depends what type of program you are coming. 15 days, 30 days, and 45 days. On the same note, guys, we shall move ahead. The hierarchical framework. In this internship, you have to clear 5 levels: intern, team leader, team head, project manager, and team coordinator. So these are the ranking of the intern. And how to apply? You can apply online. You can fill the Google form, get your details ready, make the payment, and welcome to the internship. Also, there is a procedure. Once you get the details sent, you will get a call, you will have interview, we will check your CV. Once you clear the interview, you are allowed for internship, and you will get official letter of internship here. Now, this is the period, guys. This internship is not only for 45 days, we have 45, 60, 75, 90, 120, 150, and 180 days of internship. So guys, there is full time flexibility. Once you enter in 45 days internship, you have the option either या आप अपनी internship 45 days पे खत्म कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप उसे extend कर सकते हैं 60 और 75 days से लेकर 180 days तक. So guys, this is the pattern. सिर्फ internship नहीं, it's all about development, all about career development, all about personality development. How can you be a good manager? How can you be a good technical and financial person? We will help you for training with internship. Guys, and this is the list of certificate, guys. As you can see, as per the ISO, we are recognized under ISO. The list is quite big. We have 11 certificate policies. You can just go through the list: internship, work excellence, recognition, appreciation, participation. For every achievement, you will get certificate with ISO to show your excellent performance. And also, this is the list of rules and regulation. The timing of internship is all about 10 to 8. This is a virtual internship. This is a virtual internship where we will help you with online working management. It's called OWM, online working management, so that you people can understand the management working. In that case, guys, a very important note to all of you. This is a internship for management, technical, financial students on a very virtual platform. Now, virtual means it is completely work from home through your WhatsApp, mailings, and the internet. So you have to be technically advanced. You should know how to work with technology. अगर आपको नहीं आता है, definitely हमारी team आपको support करेगी to understand what is online working. And once again, you can go through the management of the career team education, the top 3 people of the co-management. Then we have the execution level management. And this is our offices. We are having the regional office in Jaipur, Udaipur, and Abu Road. We are in 3 cities of Rajasthan. These are our contact details. You can get us on our website, careerdreams.co.in. You can mail us, careerdreameducations@gmail.com. You can follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn. You can watch us on YouTube. And these are our contact details. Guys, we are the only one company in Rajasthan who have so far given internship to 50,000 students. 50,000 students ने internship ली है Career Dream Education से in areas of management, technology, finance, and entrepreneurship. If you are the lucky one, you are most welcome to Career Dream Education, which is a 5-in-1 package for you. Welcome to Career Dreams, Technophilia, Money Barters, and business now with Insta placement. But one thing is very important, guys. Internship के साथ साथ what is more important is your interest, innovation, initiative. Interest एक नई चाह, innovation एक नई सोच, initiative एक नई पहल, एक नई सोच, एक नई चाह और होगी एक नई पहल towards career management. And this is the Skill India initiative. Welcome once again to Skillgram, officially recognized by Central Government of India and the State Government of Rajasthan. So guys, यहाँ पे एक conclusion आता है, क्या है career dream और क्या होगी internship with career dream educations. Now guys, I would like to have your feedback. आप लोग क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Would you like to speak something, guys? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग यहाँ तक? जिस तरफ से हमने अपनी जर्नी को शुरू किया है, the internship with the AICTE guidelines approval, and this is the internship cum training program for you people. So I shall be waiting for some responses. आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं? आपकी सोच क्या है? आप लोग किस एम के साथ इस इंटर्नशिप को देख रहे हैं? So guys, want to speak something? And ultimately, if you are planning for career, guys, you have to speak up. Communication is the best way to succeed in life. मेहनत बाद में होगी, पहले आप लोगों को अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करना होगा, विचारों को समझना होगा और समझाना होगा. So may I have any one of you, like Saloni ma'am, Deepika ma'am, any one of you to speak up? What is your feedback? We have Samresh, we have Chaitanya, we have Swati, Biswajit, Away, Mohammad Sayyad, anyone, guys?
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
This is a
तो आप कुछ फॉलो अप देना, फीडबैक देना चाहेंगे आप?
जी सर.
प्लीज बताइए.
इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा है. इंटरव्यू बहुत इंस्पायर लगा हम लोगों को. मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत इंस्पायर हुआ कि आप इस तरफ से जो हमको मोटिवेट किया कि वो हम हमारे करियर के बारे में बोले.
जी,
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर.
राइट. एंड आप सभी के लिए एक खास बात ये होगी कि ये इंटर्नशिप आपको सिर्फ इंटर्नशिप नहीं, ट्रेनिंग भी साथ में देगी. अगर आप फाइनेंशियल एरिया में आते हैं तो फाइनेंशियल एरियाज में इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रेनिंग, टैक्स ट्रेनिंग, इंश्योरेंस ट्रेनिंग के साथ साथ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट कैसे होता है उसकी ट्रेनिंग आपके लिए होगी. टेक्निकल एरिया में वेब डिजाइनिंग, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, मशीन लर्निंग से लेकर पाइथन, पीएचपी की ट्रेनिंग आपको साथ में दी जाएगी. मैनेजमेंट वालों के लिए एचआर, मार्केटिंग की ट्रेनिंग्स आपको साथ में इंटर्नशिप के साथ दी जाएगी. गाइस, दिस इज करियर ड्रीम एजुकेशन एंड वी आर ऑलवेज ओपन टू दोज पीपल जो करियर में कुछ बनना चाहते हैं. दिस इंटर्नशिप इज फॉर द विनर्स. गुड आफ्टरनून सुदीप. सुदीप सर, प्लीज बताइए.
Good afternoon, sir. It is a very good initiative of yours, and I would like to join with you and in future.
ग्रेट सर. गाइस, इस इंटर्नशिप का बेसिक फोकस आपको सिखाना नहीं होगा, सिखाने के साथ साथ आपको एक मैनेजर बनाना, सो दैट यू कैन बी द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया. अल्टीमेटली 2021 इज गोइंग. आने वाले 4 सालों में वी विल बी द मोस्ट वाइब्रेंट इकोनॉमी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. टुडे इंडियन इकोनॉमी अमेरिकन और चाइनीज इकोनॉमी से ज्यादा है. वी आर हैविंग अ ग्रोथ ऑफ 5% per annum. So guys, you have the opportunity today. All those people, if you are positive, we want to have your feedback. आपकी सोच क्या है? आप किस तरह की सोच रख रहे हैं अपने करियर के लिए? Guys, let me show you the other areas जिस internship में आप देखना चाहेंगे. These are the types of certificates. You can have on the screen here. These are the certificates जो आपको अवार्ड किए जाएंगे इस इंटर्नशिप में. सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ वर्क एक्सीलेंस, The Make in India logo is there, and the MSME approval. उसके साथ we have certificate of training. So internship with training certificates will be given to you. Then we have certificate of appreciation for you people. And these are the name of those people जिन्हें certificate दिए गए हैं. And also we have certificate of achievement. So guys, the list is quite big. For every great achievement, आप लोगों के लिए certifications definitely होंगे. Certificate of participation. And also we have the certificate of achievement. And guys, apart from certificate, we have various programs जो इस internship के साथ में आपके साथ होंगे. Technical ambassador program. Then we do have various arts competition. In these arts competition, we invite the people for dancing, singing, and talent exhibition. सिर्फ internship नहीं, आपके अंदर की छुपी काबिलियत को भी लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए. We have the battle of brain quiz competition like Quizofest. So not only internship, but dancing, singing competition, your talent, quizzing, many more competitions will be there for you in this internship. So these are the areas where we can have the workshop on taxation. This is the tax workshop. Also, we have the workshop on investment. Guys, we are approved by Rajasthan government and central government of India for maximum skill development. So we will give you the best opportunity जहां पे आप लोग internship के साथ साथ अपने careers को एक नई दिशा दे पाएंगे. And this is all about the program. Now guys, almost we are coming towards the conclusion. Now I want you people to give your feedback in the chat box. अगर आप बात नहीं कर सकते, no worries. What is your review? You can share your review in the chat box. So I shall be awaiting your reviews in the chat box. And Zahir sir, may I have your review, please? Okay, are we having Zahir sir in this meeting? Okay, he's not here. Zahir sir, may we have your response here, your word here?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Please, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir, please.
hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir, your voice is audible, Zahir sir. You can speak now.
Okay. Guys, we have dropped the links here, and also we have given a feedback form.
Hello,
You
sir.
can just fill the feedback form, and we can get your
Vinayak sir,
first
Zahir
level
sir.
registration. Yes, Zahir sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir, बोलिए, please बोलिए.
ना आप कुछ बोल रहे थे ना तो I have some network issues, sir. That's
Okay,
why
okay, sir,
I
no
can
worries.
hear you, but
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
speak.
yeah. To everyone, guys, we have sent a Google form in the chat box. This is the feedback form for you. So before you leave this meeting, fill this feedback form, and we can register you for the first level of internship. So you can get this Google form filled. We shall be awaiting your feedback. Thank you so much, Saloni ma'am, and Away sir. and Sudipta sir. Definitely, we will be happy to have people in our internship program giving you the global competition edge. सिर्फ internship नहीं, global level का working standard क्या होता है? What is the global level of standard in finance, management, and technology? Guys, you will see a complete new world with Career Dream Educations and our wings, Technophilia, Money Barters, Business Now, and Placement Wing. So we will give you the best experience, not only for today, but also for the future. So it's getting 4 p.m. now. We shall moving towards the conclusion. So I request every one of you who is present in this meeting to get the Google form submitted so that we can have your valuable feedback. We shall be away. And if you have filled the Google form, let us know in the chat box, yes or no, so that we can confirm your feedback. In the chat box, mention that you have filled the Google form. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. Definitely, we will be happy to have you people joining us this internship.